What's going on, you guys? Today we're gonna go over Trust Wallet. I've been using Trust Wallet for quite a while. I love it. I feel like it's a very simple plug and play wallet. It's safe, it's secure. You don't have to worry about hackers because it's actually stored locally. I'll talk about that in a little bit. But today we're gonna give you a quick walkthrough on Trust Wallet, and we're gonna show you how to set up your Trust Wallet so that way you can start storing your cryptocurrencies. Welcome back, you guys. If you haven't done so, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and also hit that notification as well, so that way you're in the know, you're plugged in every single time we upload a new video. You're getting it right away so we can show you and empower you how to grow your cryptocurrency portfolio. First things first, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm only sharing you as an enthusiast what I'm doing with my own cryptocurrency portfolio. So today we're going to talk about Trust Wallet. I've been using it for over a year. I love it. I think it's truly a plug and play wallet. A lot of wallets out there are quite confusing because, quite honestly, the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry is confusing as a whole. There's so many different variants and different angles that you can actually work this market. For example, there's the Tron network or the Tron blockchain. Then there's the Bitcoin blockchain. Then there's the Ethereum blockchain, the Phantom blockchain, or the Yuan chain blockchain. So there's all different types of blockchains, and if you're actually not, if you're not sending the cryptocurrency to the right wallet, you can lose it. Trust Wallet, it's a cold wallet that basically stores multiple different wallets. It's very plug and play, mainly for the Ethereum network as well as the Binance Smart Chain network. So I love it. You can also store Bitcoin as well. But let me give you a quick walkthrough, a review of the Trust Wallet. So right here, you can learn more about it through trustwallet.com. And right from the beginning, you can actually either download it on the App Store, Google Play Store, or Android. But several key benefits with this wallet. Number one, you can buy Bitcoin within 5 minutes. You'll notice that when I walk you through the wallet later on, you can actually buy multiple different cryptocurrency, and you can also use your credit card to make your first purchases, which makes it really, really easy. You can easily earn interest on your crypto in your wallet. What's great about it is that you can do staking. Many of you may not know what staking is. Staking helps validate transactions within the blockchain network. So the more you are actually quote unquote locking in, now it's so easy, you don't have to lock it up anymore. You just hold those cryptocurrencies within the wallet for a certain period of time, and you're earning interest off of doing that. This just secures the blockchain and validates the transactions a lot easier and more secure. So this is awesome. Number three, you can actually see your collectibles. Those are into NFTs or art. This is a place where you can store it as well, and exchange your crypto without leaving the app. So there is a swapping mechanism which gives you the ability for you to swap from one token or cryptocurrency to another, all done within the same app. This is great. Track charts, prices within the wallet. Keep your crypto safe from hackers and scammers. This is very important because this is a cold wallet stored right on your phone. Okay, now it's not just on your phone, but it actually holds on the blockchain through your 12 mnemonic words. So as long as you actually hold your words, you're not giving away to anybody, don't ever give away your 12 words, then you're able to actually log into your Trust Wallet from another phone. If you decide to actually get rid of this phone, upgrade to a new phone, you can do that. But nobody can actually hack into it, or at least not nobody, but as long as you hold onto your 12 words, you're absolutely safe. Okay. A lot of wallets now has the DApp capability, means you can actually have access to a browser where you can start participating in decentralized applications. So if you live in the United States, or actually forget the United States in general, if you're using an Apple, I believe, they basically took away the DApp function, but I'm going to show you exactly how to bring the browser back in a second. So basically that gives you a quick idea. It's quite plug and play, simple to use. So let's go ahead and actually switch to the mobile experience so I can show you exactly how to set up your wallet, and I'll give you a quick walkthrough. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to your app or your Google Play Store. In this case, I'm using an iPhone, so click on App Store. And then from there, you want to search for Trust Wallet. So you got to be cautious, make sure you're downloading the right one. So you want to look for Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet. So go ahead and click on Install. Once you're done downloading that, you want to click on Open. And from here, you're going to see basically two options: create a new wallet or I already have a wallet. Now, you would only want to choose I already have a wallet if you want to import an existing wallet you have. How do you do that? If you have a 12-word mnemonic and you are currently using a wallet somewhere else and you want to be able to import that over, then you would click I already have a wallet. Now, if you don't have your 12-word mnemonic and you want to create a new wallet, proceed by clicking create a new wallet. Now, once you do that, you want to go ahead and click on I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. This is going to prepare you to write down your 12-word mnemonic. So this is very important that you don't give this to anybody, share it with anybody, don't take a screenshot. You want to make sure that you write it down thoroughly, double check, triple check, and then go ahead and from that point forward, you want to proceed. So go ahead and click on that, click continue. And of course, I've already blurred it out myself, but this is where you should write down your 12-word phrase. So I'm going to go ahead and actually write it down. Okay, now I've just finished writing down the 12 words. I've double checked on the words, making sure I wrote it correctly. And right now I'm going to click on continue. From here, they want to verify the recovery phrase. So you want to make sure that you put it in the correct order. So just by simply using your thumb and pressing each word in the following correct order that you saw before. Okay, I just finished putting together in order my 12-word mnemonic, and I'm going to go and click on continue to proceed. Now, once you've done, you officially created your wallet. It's that simple. Now, let me give you a quick walkthrough. The first three assets that you'll notice is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. Now, if you want to add more different assets to your main wallet or screen, you can click on the plus sign. And from here, you'll notice that there's a subtraction or a minus sign next to Bitcoin. That means it's already been added. And there's a plus sign next to the ones like Litecoin or Dogecoin or Dash. Those have plus signs next to them, which means that they haven't been added yet, and you're more than welcome to add them to your front page if you want to do so. So let's go ahead and I'm going to click on Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Dash. I'm going to click cancel, and you'll notice right away it's going to appear on my home screen. So let me continue and walk you through a few different things. You'll notice that under settings that it says wallets. Now right here it says main wallet, but you can add as many wallets, unlimited amounts of wallets as you choose to this wallet, and you can navigate through these different wallets within the app. By doing so, just click on plus, and it's going to take you to the same page that I just walked you through earlier. Again, you can import a wallet as long as you have these 12 words. You can import it by clicking on I already have a wallet. If you want to create a new wallet, just click on create a new wallet. From there, I want to click settings, and there's an app lock. I recommend it increases the security. So when you click on that, it's going to ask to enter a new passcode. So you can create a passcode of your choice. So that way, I recommend making it different from your phone, access to your phone. So that way you make it difficult for somebody to have access to your assets. Again, make sure any type of passcode or security protection that you do on your wallets, make sure you write it down and keep it in a secure place so that you don't forget, you know where to find it, and you're the only one that have access to it. Okay, so from there, you'll see push notifications, so you can set alerts. Okay, that's very simple. Send and receive. And you can change your currency reading, so Australian dollar, euro, British pound, browser. Okay, you can enable the browser, you can disable the browser. So you notice that the browser is disabled. Some of you may have Trust Wallet and it's not updated yet, and that's fine. All you want to do is update it, and you'll be able to have access to it by simply making sure that you'll have this feature that says browser, and you'll be able to click enable, and then you'll see that browser right in the bottom again. If you have a Trust Wallet that doesn't have this area that says browser, which is extremely very important if you want to be able to participate in different decentralized applications, and you don't have this option here that says browser, you can simply go to Google or go to your browser on your phone or on your computer, and simply just type out Trust Wallet add browser, and it's going to give you the option to be able to find how to enable that browser. So right here it says enable that browser on Trust Wallet. You click on that, and simply is going to give you instructions on what to do. Step 1, open Safari browser and then type in the URL, tap go. A prompt will appear that if you want to open page in Trust, click open. Step 3, the Trust app will launch with the dApp browsing function. That's simple, you guys. So again, this is only for those that doesn't have that feature of turning on your browser ability, and you can Google it and you can simply follow that instruction I showed you, and you'll have that browser pop up on the very bottom. So the next thing I want to show you is how to send and receive each cryptocurrency. So for example, let's say you want to send and receive Bitcoin. Simply click on Bitcoin, and right here it will give you those features. Number 1, you can send Bitcoin by simply clicking send, and you want to paste the recipient's address. You want to put the Bitcoin amount, and then you want to click next. Quite simple. The other one is you want to click on receive if you want to be able to receive Bitcoin. So obviously, you want to click on receive, and you can send this QR code, or you can simply click on copy and paste it through a text message or through whichever messenger system you use to be able to actually send it to the party who is going to send you cryptocurrency. And you can also click share, which is a great feature and makes it really simple to send your wallet address. Okay. And from there, you can do this with any cryptocurrency on here. Okay. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, you can do it with Ethereum. You'll notice that each cryptocurrency has their own send, receive, copy. Okay. For some reason on this phone, I'm not getting all the features popping up. So I'm going to switch the phone. I'm going to show you an actual wallet that I'm actually using, so that way you can see some of the features that I actually can use or you can use on the Trust Wallet. So let me go and switch my phone. Okay, I'm back. So here we are again. I'm going to show you some of the different cryptocurrencies that I have storing on the Trust Wallet, and I'm going to show you some of the features that I was trying to show you, but you can actually see it on my wallet on this particular phone. So I'm going to go and click on BNB. And on here, you can actually see all the different history that it tracks when you're doing any type of activity on this particular cryptocurrency. You can actually buy cryptocurrency or buy this particular cryptocurrency by clicking buy on the very top right. Once you click on that, it's quite simple. There's a third-party provider. You can you can see different options of different providers that will actually sell you cryptocurrency, and it automatically populates it for you right there. And then you can just put in the amount that you want to purchase. So in this case, I put $150 worth of BNB. I click next, and it's automatically going to prompt me to that provider to be able to actually put down my basic information, my credit card information, to actually make my purchase or your purchase in terms of this particular cryptocurrency. Now, the great thing about it is that once you make that purchase, it loads right into your wallet that you have right here. So from there, one of the things that I also want to show you is finance. So within finance, you have staking opportunities. There's different types, you don't have a lot of different options, but in this particular time frame, there's Algo, Kava, BNB, Tezos. Right now, I'm currently staking BNB on here. So if I click on BNB, you'll notice that I'm currently staking 27 BNB tokens right now. And it's currently right now producing me approximately 27.97 APR, which is great. That's a great number. And that number changes all the time. So the lock time on here is 7 days. I'll get it right back. And going into the staking feature more, if I click on more, I can stake. I can also unstake. I can trade BNB, and I can swap to Smart Chain. Okay, and I can get stake details on here. This is actually a really awesome wallet to use to be able to, again, earn some passive income if you're actually holding these coins. Okay, so right after finance, you can click on collectibles, and you can actually have your collectibles right here that you can actually store on the Trust wallet. Another thing I want to show you is DEX, which is the decentralized exchange. This is great because instead of actually going into a centralized exchange such as Binance, you can actually stay right on the wallet and swap to a different coin without ever leaving it. So for example, on here, if you have, let's say for example, you have BNB and you want to swap it for Matic, then it's going to, and I can put, let's say I want to swap 25% of it. Then in this example, it'll show me that I'm able to swap 0.02 for 24 Matic tokens. So this is great. I can press swap and it'll do the exchange for me immediately without ever leaving the wallet or the app. So this is a great app. Again, this wallet does a lot of amazing features. It's quite simple. You got to mess around with it, but this gives you a quick idea how to set up your wallet and also how to actually get started and even start staking within the wallet immediately. So hopefully this helps. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.